What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Today I have this portable screen along with a keyboard. Yeah, this is a very interesting product, a super interesting product, and truly I have never even thought that a brand would come up with an idea like this, a portable monitor along with a keyboard. This one actually supports 6 different languages, and well, there are many other features that I'm gonna talk about through this video. But before that, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. There is an international smartphone giveaway going on. If you're subscribed to this channel, then what you have to do is to make a valid and descriptive comment. Well, please don't spam, because spammers will get disqualified. Well, now let's talk about this product. This is from Kwumsy. Yeah, the name is a bit difficult to pronounce, Kwumsy, and this is Kwumsy KX. Actually, I was very interested about that Kwumsy K1, which comes with a physical keyboard along with a display panel, a touch screen, but this one is different. This one is a portable monitor which comes with a touch keyboard. And this one is not like a compact keyboard. This one comes with 98 keys. This one has 98 keys. So this one is a full layout keyboard. And well, let's do the unboxing and then I will go through all the interesting features and specifications of this product. But before that, disclaimer, I didn't buy this one. This one actually is an engineering sample. I have requested Kwumsy for one review unit, and the people of this brand were like very friendly and they have sent me one. Okay, if you know me, then you know me. I don't care about whether it's a review unit or whether I have spent money for this, whether it's an engineering sample or not. I only care about 2 things. Number 1, performance. Number 2, whether the product actually can deliver or not what the brand has promised. Well, there is nothing to worry about performance. I'm doing this review video because I love this product. Truly, I'm in love with this one. This one has actually brought a lot of convenience to my life, and I'm waiting when they will start selling this product. Maybe I will buy 4 of these for this studio. Well, without wasting any more time, let's do the unboxing. Let's see what things we have got inside the box. Kwumsy KX. On the box, it says the ultimate 15.6 touch screen for work and play. At the rear part of the box, they have written some specifications: UI keyboard input, 10-point touch, holder storage, 2-stage holder adjustment, 1-line connection, vertical display, and there are a lot of other things like KX is a portable 15.6-inch split screen device with a holder with its multifunctional Type-C interface, external expansion, folding holder, TP touch support, external PD, 60-watt charging, self-contained UI 98 key touch keyboard, and a 15.6-inch FHD Plus panel. It can quickly build a personal mobile studio. That's the point. Why do I like this one? Because I actually use a MacBook Pro M1 Max, and sometimes doing some video editing on the MacBook Pro M1 Max screen, it's a bit too compact, because using Final Cut or Premiere Pro on a 16-inch screen isn't so easy. So I wanted to have an external display panel. Sometimes I have used my iPad Pro as my external panel, but actually that one is not that big. So I wanted to have a dedicated portable monitor, and here comes the one that I like. After opening the top lid of the box, there is our Kwumsy KX portable monitor. Let's put the monitor aside for a while. Let's check what else we have got inside the box. Inside the box, there is a holder of the screen. This one is actually a stand which can be used in many different angles. I've managed to get 360 rotation of these display panels, so it's really very convenient, and this stand is built with metals, so it's very sturdy, and build quality is also very good. There are 2 USB-C to USB-C cable, and there is a multi-purpose multi-connection cable which offers HDMI to USB-C output. This Kwumsy KX is built with aluminum. This one is actually built on a unibody, aluminum unibody. Build quality is super premium. And there are 2 fits so that we can adjust the height of the keyboard, and when we are gonna use this one as a monitor, we can use the stand. It's very easy to use. If you are gonna use this one in a horizontal orientation, just place it here. For vertical orientation, just place it here. As I mentioned earlier, look at this, we can get a 360-degree rotation. It's very easy to use. The stand is actually very smooth, and look at this. A simple single push will rotate this monitor. very easy gliding. It's really very easy to adjust the height and we can get desired reclining angle. So yeah, I have no complaint about the stand and positioning. Moreover, as this Kwumsy KX is built with aluminum, this aluminum unibody actually works as a heatsink and helps to dissipate heat. So this one never gets heated. It's always very cool. So this can be used as a keyboard without any issue. It's very easy. The build quality of the hinge of the stand is so cool. So the hinge can actually hold it up without any jerk, and even if I press with my fingers while typing, it won't go down. We actually need to use a bit of a force to put it down. Well, this is a touchscreen display panel, and this display panel of Kwumsy KX is actually a 1080p FHD Plus display panel. This is a IPS wide perspective screen. This one has an aspect ratio of 16:9 and a resolution of 1920 by 1080. Well, yeah, FHD Plus means 1080p panel. Yeah, this is a touch screen, and KX actually features 10-point touchscreen technology for Windows, which gives us prompt touch feedback almost without any delay. Well, let me show you. There is no delay, zero delay. Well, let me show you. This display panel also comes with its own brightness settings, and as there are two speakers, we can actually control volume from this speaker. We can mute the volume, we can select warm color temperature, standard color temperature, and cool color temperature depending on our requirement and our usage habit. Gone. Wow. Yeah, it's truly cool, amazing. Now, as I've mentioned earlier, this one comes with a EY keyboard, 98 key touch keyboard, and only a single press on this button. It's loading. Well, look at this. We have the display panel on top of this keyboard. So this part actually becomes a touchpad, and we can type anything as we want. This is really very touch sensitive. There is no delay, and oh my gosh, I really like the idea that they have included English, German, Arabic, French, Spanish, and Japanese. Cool. There are 6 languages, so almost all the major languages are covered. Listen to this. Isn't it so cool? Oh my god, I love this. It's so great. And even if this display is very small, I can even click on the precise position without any issue. Now, another thing I like about this portable monitor is there are 4 different USB-C ports, and we can actually use the ports as USB-C hub. Look at this. I'm gonna connect this SanDisk USB drive. Check here. Well, it's working without any issue. Yeah, it's cool. It's very fast because all of these ports are USB-C 3.0 ports, which means this one supports up to 480 megabit per second data transfer rate. Well, I have already shown that we can use USB drives, and yeah, there is a PD 60 watt port. So if you connect this portable monitor with a compatible PD 60 watt charger or adapter, this one will be able to recharge your laptop or the connected device up to 60 watt through PD 3.0. Okay, a lot of people may complain about this chin. Actually, they needed to have a chin because this one can be converted into a 98 keys keyboard. Without this chin, our palm would be an issue while we are typing. So yeah, this chin is actually intentionally left over here. So don't even think about that this is a flaw of the device. This is actually an advantage of this device. Another thing I want to mention about this device is this one comes with a display panel which is connected to this display protector without any air gap. Kwumsy KX is actually equipped with a thinner display protector so that there is no touch latency, and every time I touch on this touch screen, it gives me a super comfortable feelings, and it's so instant that sometimes I don't even have time to react. Well, as this is an engineering sample, at the beginning I was a bit skeptical that this wouldn't perform, but this one has performed. This one has performed like a beast. There is no flaw. I have tried to find flaws. Like I've even dropped it twice intentionally to find that how good is the build quality. Yeah, this metal, this aluminum unibody is super sturdy, and in terms of latency, I have never seen any latency that I can complain about. Not only me, we all 5 people in this studio, we have tried this one, and yeah, everybody has one thing to talk about this, that's praising this product. Well, that's all about this Kwumsy KX. I'm gonna back this product on Kickstarter. If you're interested, go ahead, there should be an early bird pricing which you should try to grab. And one more time, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you have loved this video, then please subscribe to this channel and support honest content.